Together, we will travel through time and numbers, navigating our way with creativity, aspiration, and never-ending quest for a sustainable future. Regardless, we see a cosmic question looms in the wide world of technology and finance. Will electric behemoth Tesla reach the coveted $1 trillion club by 2024? But is this lofty goal really attainable? What cosmic factors are at work in the field of electric vehicles that might help Tesla reach the trillion-dollar milestone? Fasten your seatbelts as we explore the stratosphere of possibilities and analyze the elements that may cause Tesla to become a trillion-dollar business by 2024. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News before we continue. Let us now begin this video. A select few corporate titans have reached to the startling heights of market valuations in the current digital era, setting themselves apart from the rest. Out of all the names, 5 have achieved the coveted milestone of having a $1 trillion market value. However, who are these giants and how enormous have they grown to be? Apple comes first thanks to its svelte designs and cutting-edge technologies. Not only is Apple at the front of the race, but it's about to accomplish something even more incredible with an estimated current worth of an astounding $2.78 trillion. Apple is about to cross the $3 trillion threshold, creating a record that few could have predicted. Microsoft. A brand that has been associated with software for many years is not far behind. Microsoft now has a healthy $2.44 trillion market capitalization. Their ongoing innovation and reshaping of the tech landscape has a profound impact on both corporate sectors and our everyday lives. Next up is NVIDIA. A titan in the fields of AI and graphics. Its recent expansion has been nothing short of extraordinary. NVIDIA is a proud company today, having crossed the $1 trillion mark. Who among us doesn't use Google every day? Google's parent firm, Alphabet, has assiduously integrated itself into our digital lives through projects like search engines and self-driving automobiles. Because of its energy, Alphabet has gained entry into the trillion-dollar club. And finally, Amazon, the e-commerce juggernaut. Amazon has grown from a little bookshop to the massive enterprise it is today, influencing almost every aspect of our lives. Their impressive journey is evident in their market capitalization, which is proudly above $1 trillion. With their creativity and perseverance, each of these businesses has changed the way technology is used and transformed entire sectors. We have watched, studied, and marveled at their rapid ascent to prominence. Although we are in awe of their accomplishments, we can't help but wonder who will be the next to join this esteemed group. There are rumors that Tesla is aiming for the top spot. From Apple to Amazon, these businesses have carved themselves positions so substantial that nobody can match them. They are not simply behemoths, but the emperors of their domains. They are erect in the corridors of market supremacy because they have earned their crowns. But there's always a challenger behind every defending champion, one who is hungry, driven, and determined to succeed. When we go behind these front runners, we see Tesla, strong competitor awaiting its big break. With a market valuation of $842 billion, it is currently hovering dangerously near to the $1 trillion milestone that it once reached in 2022. With global statistics suggesting that the use of electric vehicles is growing, Tesla is vying for the top spot and getting ready to join the trillion-dollar elite. Even while well-established industry titans are still making their impact, it's difficult to overlook Tesla's groundbreaking strategy, unwavering innovation, and sustainable future vision. Their quest is about rethinking energy and mobility for the contemporary day, not just about cars. From their consistently growing profits to the difficulties the competition faces, Tesla's tale is one of tenacity, drive, and forward-thinking vision. There's more to Tesla's quest to enter, or rather, re-enter the trillion-dollar club than just valuation as market conditions change and competition heats up. It's about creating a new standard in the history of cars in the dynamic world of tech beneath. Have you ever been curious about the financial figures behind Tesla? One of the most talked about businesses in our day and age. One statistic has been particularly noticeable over time. This number has been skyrocketing rather than merely growing. Their performance for the last 12 months demonstrates exponential growth. There are, however, turns and turns, just like in any growth tale. Tesla's profit margin has seen significant volatility despite the company's explosive revenue growth. It dropped to 13.3 in Q2 from a robust 16 in the prior quarter. This decline can be linked to Tesla's significant price reductions, which were implemented in an effort to stave off escalating competition. A daring step, but not without its ramifications. However, let profit margins alone influence us. A more positive story is presented by Tesla's earnings per share. A crucial statistic for many investors, it increased to 78 cents from 65 cents, demonstrating the company's tenacity and flexibility. Even though Tesla has been ruling the electric vehicle market, they have rivals. Consider the Chinese car manufacturer BYD. BYD sold 352,000 vehicles in Q2, a 95 rise, not far behind Tesla, which delivered more than 466,000 vehicles in Q2, and 86 increase race time. Next is the price to earnings ratio, which is now at a very high 54. While some contend it's excessive, others think it makes sense for a tech-focused business like Tesla, whichever way you lean. This figure is essential to comprehending how the market assesses each and every dollar of Tesla's profits. Tesla's performance indicators reflect the company's aspirational and innovative journey. Who knows where Tesla will drive next, given that the electric revolution is only expected to get stronger. It will be an exciting ride, though, that much is certain. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought this breakdown was interesting, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at business and finance. Having looked deep into Tesla's performance indicators, it's only logical to wonder, how does Tesla stack up against its counterparts in the trillion-dollar market value race? Tesla socialized with some of the most well-known figures in the world. Apple leads the pack with a market capitalization of $2.78 trillion, followed closely by Microsoft at $2.44 trillion, with its peak value of $1.24 trillion and at its current market value of $842 billion. Tesla's trajectory is quite remarkable. However, how does it compare to its contemporaries? Even though Tesla's revenue is growing at a strong rate, how does it compare to its competitors in the auto industry? For example, Toyota has roughly twice the revenue of Tesla, but a valuation that is only a small portion of Tesla's. Even though it generates more than 3 times as much revenue, domestic behemoths like GM and Ford are valued far less. What causes this paradox to exist? Following a thorough analysis, we found that Tesla's profit margin had dropped from 16 to 13.3, but how does this change compare in the grand arena? Different measurements apply to legacy automakers because of their deeply ingrained manufacturing processes. The crucial query is whether Tesla can continue to lead or if it will eventually catch up to more established automakers. EPS acts as a measure of a business's profitability, and Tesla's EPS is promising. When positioned next to its rivals, the larger picture becomes apparent. Is Tesla more competitive because of its tech-driven strategy, or are traditional manufacturers still a strong contender? When taken as a standalone story, Tesla's electric path is one of invention and upheaval. However, it is a player among giants in the huge automotive environment, each with its own strengths and storylines. As we conclude our comparative research, keep in mind that in the quickly changing world of electric vehicles, knowing the terrain is just as important as the voyage. Even while putting Tesla in the context of its peers is instructive, it's important to comprehend the dynamics driving its advancement and the challenges it faces. Now that we've moved past the comparative study, let's examine the main motivations and difficulties that Tesla is currently facing. Tesla is more than just a car company. It is a representation of the future. A number of undercurrents drive its ascent. The demand for sustainable solutions is growing, and the world is changing drastically. Conscious consumers are quickly moving towards preferring electric vehicles. Thanks to its renowned brand appeal, Tesla is in a unique position to ride this green wave and usher in a time when electric means more than simply electricity. In a world that is changing quickly, obsolete ideas equate to stagnation. Because of its unwavering dedication to innovation and unmatched skill at incorporating cutting-edge technology, every Tesla model is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. Tesla sees a clean, green, and sustainable future that extends beyond the realm of automobiles. A brighter, greener future is promised by Tesla's aspirations, which reshape power storage and revolutionize energy use with solar solutions. However, no matter how magnificent, every adventure has its share of difficulties. These aren't just challenges for Tesla. They're actually hidden opportunities. In the brutal world of the car industry, every day is battle. With decades of history, Legacy manufacturers are starting to feel the need to change and energize their lines. The struggle intensifies as Tesla not only defends its territory, but also forges new ones. Innovation has a price, and Tesla continually balances maintaining strong profit margins with providing competitive pricing in its effort to be unmatched. Every price reduction broadens the company's clientele, but also puts strain on its finances. Disruptions in one area have an impact on the entire world in this highly interconnected society, from the complex dance of semiconductor supplies to the tides of logistics. The unpredictable nature of supply chains regularly puts Tesla's worldwide vision to the test. While Tesla's journey is supercharged by dynamic drivers, it also faces a set of difficulties that test its mettle. There will be intermittent speed bumps, interspersed with an interesting mix of high-speed lanes ahead. However, that's what makes this journey worthwhile to investigate, analyze, and talk about. As we continue to explore the complex world of electric mobility, stay tuned and let's continue the conversation if today's in-depth analysis provokes some further ideas. Talk, interact, and share. Limit. There's a lot of talk these days about possible overlaps between SpaceX aspirations for space exploration and Tesla's electric goals. As SpaceX is revolutionizing space travel, is it possible that Mars has Tesla charging stations? Time will tell. Beyond automobiles, there's ample documentation of Tesla's experiments with solar energy and power storage. However, the business is well positioned to broaden its horizons and maybe delve further into the field of renewable energy, providing solutions that have the potential to completely transform how homes and communities use electricity. The digital frontier is huge and mostly unexplored in a world where everything is becoming increasingly connected. There's a tangible buzz over Tesla's possible forays into augmented reality, deep learning, and other fields as a result of its acquisitions of AI and machine learning startups. Why confine yourself to personal automobiles? There are rumors that Tesla is looking into ways to improve public transport, rethinking buses and trains, and adding its distinctive mix of elegance and innovation. Not only do its products possess magic, but so does its vision. A vision that's not bound by today, but is inspired by the possibilities of tomorrow. With so many promising endeavors ahead of it, Tesla has a bright future ahead of it. In today's video, we explored Tesla's remarkable performance indicators, conducted a competitive analysis versus industry titans, explored the motivations behind and difficulties facing this electric titan, and cast our eyes towards the company's exciting future endeavors. However, the concerns are met. Will Tesla's forays into renewable energy earn the same notoriety as its vehicles? Above all, as enthusiasts and investors, where do we envision ourselves along Tesla's thrilling journey? Please share your responses in the space provided for comments below. Additionally, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon.